Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share my thoughts on the Sony BRAVIA Theater U wireless wearable TV speaker. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. If you're looking for a unique audio solution that takes your home entertainment experience to the next level, then this speaker might just be what you need. So, let's get into the details. Innovative design. The Sony BRAVIA Theater U stands out right from the start with its wearable design. This isn't just a traditional speaker, it's designed to be worn around your neck, providing an immersive audio experience while allowing you to move freely around your space. It feels lightweight and comfortable, making it perfect for long viewing sessions or gaming marathons. Sound quality. When it comes to sound quality, the BRAVIA Theater U excels. The personalized home theater audio is nothing short of impressive. Whether you're watching your favorite movies or playing intense video games, this speaker delivers clear, rich sound that truly enhances your experience. The 360-degree audio feature ensures that you get a well-rounded sound no matter where you're sitting, making it feel like you're in the middle of the action. Gaming compatibility. One of the standout features is its gaming compatibility. The audio response is quick and dynamic, allowing you to hear every detail, which can give you a competitive edge in fast-paced games. The built-in mic is a great addition for multiplayer gaming, letting you communicate with your teammates without the hassle of additional equipment. Connectivity and battery life. With Bluetooth connectivity, connecting the BRAVIA Theater U to your devices is seamless and hassle-free. You can easily pair it with your TV, smartphone, or tablet, providing versatility for all your entertainment needs. Plus, the 12-hour battery life means you can enjoy your favorite content without constantly worrying about recharging. Whether you're binge-watching a series or having a gaming night with friends, this speaker has your back. Durability and portability. Another fantastic aspect of the BRAVIA Theater U is its IPX4 splash-resistant rating. This means you don't have to worry about accidental spills or light rain, making it a great option for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're lounging at home or having a picnic in the park, this speaker is designed to keep up with your lifestyle. Final thoughts? Overall, the Sony BRAVIA Theater U wireless wearable TV speaker is an innovative and versatile audio solution that truly elevates your home entertainment experience. With its comfortable design, exceptional sound quality, and great battery life, it's perfect for movie lovers, gamers, and anyone who wants a more personalized audio experience. If you're in the market for a unique audio device that combines convenience with performance, the BRAVIA Theater U is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.